Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Audible to your Kindle book when it's already purchased. And if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. Basically, I am on the Amazon app for mobile and I've typed in Intelligent Investor because I know this book has a Kindle version and an Audible version. This will only work when the book that you do want to purchase has an audiobook version and a Kindle version that is available on Kindle and then on Audible as well. So I've typed in the book to Amazon and then I'm going to select the first one. And then we scroll down here. And what you need to do first is download the Kindle version. So follow the steps and purchase and download the Kindle version, and then go to your Kindle app on whichever device. I'm going to be using the mobile Kindle app. Go in there and then refresh, and then your Kindle book will appear in your library. If you go to library, it's also here as well. And you can click into the book and start reading from there. So if you want to actually have the Audible audiobook version playing while you're reading the same book on Kindle, what you need to do is go to Amazon and purchase the audiobook from there. We're back in the Amazon app, and now I'm going to select the button on the right, audiobook. And now I'm going to scroll down, and basically my Audible account is linked to my Amazon account. It's under the same email. So what I'm going to do now is press Get with Credit in the Audible app because I am an Audible Premium Plus member and I do have credits available in my account. Select this. And now I'm going to press Buy with 1 credit. I'm going to confirm. And it says Success. Thank you. Your title is being delivered to your library. So I'm going to press the library button. I'm going to refresh, and that's the book right here. So you can press the download button and it's going to start downloading onto your mobile device. So I've just now opened back up the Kindle app because I've purchased the Intelligent Investor book on Kindle and audiobook version on Audible. And now when I've clicked into the book, The Intelligent Investor, this page has popped up that was not available before. And it says read and listen. You can use the Kindle app to listen to your books when you have both the ebook and audiobook formats. So that's what we've done. We've had to go through Amazon, through linked accounts, purchase the book on Kindle, and then purchase the audiobook version through Audible via Amazon. And now we have this option available. So I'm going to click out of there. And now we can see this section on the bottom row. It says Audible audiobook, tap to download. And that's going to download the Audible audiobook onto your Kindle app. And now that the download has progressed, we can now see some different buttons on the right hand side of the bottom of my screen. It says 1 times, that's if you want to actually change the speed. There's a backwards 30-second button, and then there's a play button. I'm going to press play.
Preface to the 4th edition by Warren E. Buffett.
And if you want to actually press pause, tap the screen and then press the pause button on the right hand side. You can also click into the bottom part of the screen where it says the Intelligent Investor, the slightly pink color. Click in there and it's going to show you all of the listening page right here. It's got the audiobook artwork. It's got a slider. So if you scroll this forward, we're now at a new point when you click out of here. When you press play and click out of here, the Kindle book version will now have skipped forward a few pages and start playing from there. So let's press play.
Within weeks or months after publication.
From there, guys, let's just say that you stopped reading the Kindle version and listening to the Audible version at the same time on the Kindle app, and you went traveling or you were doing something around the house and you just listened to the audiobook on the Audible app with your headphones or something like that. This is what's going to happen. So I'm going to click into Audible. Go to Intelligent Investor. And let's just skip forward a few chapters. So it's this button on the left-hand side. I'm going to go up to chapter 6.
Chapter 6. Portfolio policy for the enterprising investor.
So we're now on chapter 6, and you can let this play for hours and hours, if not complete the entire audiobook, but the progress will have saved on the Kindle version. And we can check this by going to Kindle. And then down at the bottom it says go to most recent page. And now we can see we're up at chapter 6 on the Kindle version because it's tracking where we're at on Audible and on Kindle. This is also known as the Whispersync functionality on Audible and Kindle. And we can also reverse this. So let's say that you have stopped listening to the audiobook and now you want to read the Kindle version. I'm going to skip forward a few pages on Kindle. Let's go to this one, commentary on chapter 6. And then when we go back to Audible, it will have skipped forward in the audiobook.
Commentary.
And now we can see commentary on chapter 6, and it's just given us a notification that it's gone to the most recent page. And there we go, guys. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.